Today I am reviewing the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner NV356E. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner NV356E is an all-in-one cleaning solution designed to make your home spotless, whether you have carpets, hard floors, or pets. One of the most impressive features of this vacuum is the lift-away functionality. With a simple press of a button, you could attach the vacuum pod and carry it around to clean stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. This lift-away feature makes cleaning above-floor surfaces effortless, so you don't have to struggle with awkward angles or moving heavy furniture. Another standout feature is the Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology paired with a HEPA filter. This combination traps 99.9% of dust, dirt, and allergens, including the tiniest particles as small as 0.3 microns. This is especially helpful for homes with pets or allergy sufferers because it ensures that the dust and allergens stay trapped inside the vacuum, rather than recirculating into the air you breathe. This feature alone makes the Shark Navigator NV356E a great investment for families looking to maintain a clean and healthy home environment. The vacuum also includes a brushroll shutoff function, allowing you to easily switch between deep carpet cleaning and gentle bare floor cleaning. This means you can safely clean hardwood, tile, and laminate floors without worrying about scratching or damaging surfaces. It also improves the vacuum's versatility, so you don't need multiple tools for different floor types. For pet owners, this vacuum is a true lifesaver. It comes with a pet power brush that effectively picks up pet hair and dander from carpets, upholstery, and furniture. No more worrying about loose pet hair spreading throughout your home. The powerful suction works together with a brush to deep clean every corner of your living space, leaving your home hair-free and fresh. Another key feature is the swivel steering, which allows the vacuum to move easily around furniture, into corners, and through narrow spaces. You can maneuver it smoothly without having to lift or drag it, saving time and effort. The combination of powerful suction and effortless steering makes cleaning a more enjoyable experience. The extra-large dust cup is also worth mentioning. With a capacity of 0.87 quarts, you can vacuum longer without stopping to empty it. When the time comes to empty the dust cup, it's designed for easy removal and quick disposal of debris, keeping your cleaning process fast and convenient. The Shark NV356E also includes a Crevice tool and dusting brush, expanding its cleaning capabilities. The Crevice tool allows you to clean tight spaces, baseboards, and even ceilings, while the dusting brush is perfect for delicate surfaces like blinds, lampshades, fans, and keyboards. These tools make it easier to clean your entire home thoroughly without missing any spots. Additionally, the vacuum is built for durability and long-lasting performance. Its white and silver design is sleek and modern. It's engineered to handle heavy-duty cleaning without losing suction power. It works equally well on carpets, rugs, and hard floors, making it ideal for multi-surface cleaning. In summary, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner NV356E is a must-have for every household. Its combination of lift-away functionality, HEPA filtration, swivel steering, brushroll shutoff, pet hair tools, and extra-large dust cup makes it versatile, convenient, and powerful. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, furniture, or tight corners, this vacuum ensures a thorough clean every time. It's perfect for families, pet owners, and anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner. With the Shark Navigator NV356E, cleaning is no longer a chore. It's efficient, effective, and even enjoyable. From trapping allergens and pet hair to reaching every corner of your home, this vacuum delivers professional-grade cleaning without the hassle. It's more than just a vacuum. It's a complete cleaning system designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner.